Do you like exotic drinks? Yeah, me too. How about travel, fun, and cool bar stuff? Well then, you're going to be right at home here. Different drink, different town, different stuff. Every week, a brand new adventure. So, let's get to it. It's pour time. Hey everybody, back by unpopular demand. PourMan is here, circling the globe, as you well know, searching for the most exotic, best tasting drinks all over the world and all over my kitchen. There's a lot of things that go into drinks. There's the active ingredients, and then there's also the other stuff. So let's start with the basics. If you saw the show that we did a couple of weeks back on simple syrup, the Pour Simple, then that is going to be part of what goes into our next mixed ingredient, and that is sour mix. It's popular, and you'll find it in a wide range of drinks, from margaritas to whiskey sours. It goes in a lot of stuff. Now, you can go to the store and you can pay anywhere from $4 to $15 or more if you want to really get fancy. But the other thing is, you also risk a lot of ingredients that may or may not be healthy. PourMan humbly suggests that the best sour mix is the fresh batch that you make yourself. Okay? So we'll go from there. Let's assume that we're going to do it that way. And you can even customize it to your taste. That's what it's all about. A recipe is just a recipe. I'll give you the basics and maybe a couple of little twists, but once you start making it yourself, you're going to make it your own. And that's what it's all about. We all have different tastes and we all like a little bit more of this. PourMan tends to like a lot of active ingredients in his drinks. He also likes a lot of sweet. So anyway, so if you watch the earlier shows, you know that we have pour mix. So the way sour mix is, you take equal parts of lemon and lime juice. Okay, I've already pre-mixed it here for you. So equal parts lemon and lime. Okay, and then same thing, equal parts lemon lime juice, equal parts of simple syrup. So we're gonna do a little of each because we made two different types last time. We made a little bit of brown sugar, and we made a little bit of white sugar. Get a little extra flavor. And that's, well, I guess that's not quite equal, is it? Let's add a little bit more, shall we? There we go. All right, much more better. All right, now, we're just gonna stir that bad boy up, okay? Now, a batch of this should probably last you, anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks. Because it has the citrus in there, that keeps it a little bit longer. Now, my suggestion to you, always add a little bit of active ingredient. In this case, we'll use vodka, but again, you can use anything. You can use bourbon, you can use vodka as we did, or if you really, really want to get sexy, you can use Grand Marnier. Also a citrus flavored liqueur as he reaches back off camera. But now you have sour mix that you can put in any drink that you please. And there's tens of thousands of drinks. You can look them up all over the place, and a lot of them use sour mix. And there you have it. PourMan has just shown you how to make sour mix and make it your own. So until next time, if you want the recipe, all you got to do is go to my website, pourmanmike.com. You get the recipes there, and if you push this button right here, you'll instantly become a Pour Minion, which gets you ahead of the line speed pass to each and every new PourMan episode, plus some other cool free stuff as we go along the way. All right, so till next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan.